To share your Google My Map with people outside of your district or school's Google domain, you will need to change the sharing settings. To do that, open your Google My Map, click on Share. In the dialog box that opens, you'll probably see who has access, and initially, all maps are set to private, only you can access. Click on the link to change. And for this course, you want to make it on anyone with the link. So click that radio button next to on anyone with the link, and then click Save. This URL up here is the link that you will be sharing to have others gain access to your map, including me as your instructor in the course. You'll want to paste this link into the assignment box. When you've copied the link, go ahead and scroll down and click Done. You'll be all set to share your map.